In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the location access in Google Gemini. So if you don't want to share your location with Google Gemini, here's how you can turn that off. And this option is directly available in the browser. You don't need to change anything in the Gemini application itself. What you can do is just load into the Gemini app until you see and land on this section, which is the main screen. And from the top, you have the site controls option just behind the URL. So we click on that, and here, if the location access is enabled just like that, you just toggle that off. Now, after making this change, it might suggest to reload the website just like this option. So we click on reload, and then the settings should be saved just like this. Just keep in mind that if you are using a different Google profile other than this one, you might need to repeat that setting in order to disable the location permission on that particular profile. And that is how it can be done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.